I'm so sorry about the jiggly video. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. In the camper, and the camper's jiggly. But, got the true confession to make. After I don't know how many hours of flying, and something like, I don't know, 100,000 miles or something dumb. Maybe it was 100,000 hours and 60 miles. I don't know. But I know since what? January, roughly, of this year, been flying drone without any consequence. And, well, I went down. Yep, I was getting the shot. Beautiful mountains of Carolina, North Carolina. I was so excited about what I was seeing on the video. Couldn't stand it. Was looking at the iPad, just chimping like an amateur. Woo, 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 woo. Not paying attention to where the drone was. Backed into a tree as I was coming down, and the blades quit turning whenever they feel resistance. It's kind of a feature. And it fell about 10 feet out the sky. Am I sad? Yes. Did it ruin my trip? Partially. But I got the shot, made the sale, woman bought the video and the stills. I thought that was kind of fun. And she paid me just enough money to cover the shipping cost to ship the thing off to California for repair. Now, is that ironic or what? Blows my mind. So, yeah, it's up in California now. Got a notice from FedEx that it's been delivered on Friday at around 11:30 in the morning. But has DJI responded? No. And whatever. I guess I'll hear from them on Monday, I hope. And we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. So, that's it. Message of the day. Don't wreck your drone. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.